Alright, so when you shoot a motorcycle, the raw footage sounds nothing like that. It's all sound design made with sound effects libraries, but how do you choose the right one? This is exactly what we are going to talk about today. Hey guys, this is Eytan from Bavegang Sound Design, and today I'll talk about choosing the right sound effects for your video. There are many websites and platforms today that sell sound effects in different formats. In this episode, we'll go through the different types of libraries in the market and how to choose what is right for you. This video is brought to you by Bavegang Sound Design. We provide astonishing sound for your video, we edit your voice track, add amazing sound effects that make the visual pop out, and create a perfect mix. We have fixed prices, which you can check on our website, and a quick 3 steps ordering process. Bring your video to the next level with Bavegang Sound Design. Alright, so what are your options? Let's first make a distinction between 4 kinds of sound effects libraries. We have websites that allow a single sound effects purchase, we have subscription-based websites, and specialty libraries. I created a free PDF with a list of sound effects libraries that you can download by clicking the link in the description. This list will help you make a better decision before purchasing a random library online. Let's start with single sound effects. If you just want to buy single sound effects to pay as you go, you can check out websites like Audio Jungle, Pond5, Pro Sound Effects, and SoundDogs. Pond5 and Audio Jungle are 2 of the top most popular music and sound effects libraries amongst video creators. The prices for each sound vary mostly from $1 to $10. These websites are marketplaces where anyone can create sounds and sell them at any cost, and the items usually have to pass a very minimal quality check. So keep that in mind. Audio Jungle prices for single sound effects are usually around $1 to $3, while Pond5 offers sounds for a minimal price of $4. Pro Sound Effects, however, is one of the most respected libraries among sound designers, that they create all the sounds by themselves, and the cost is a fixed $5 price per sound. What about SoundDogs? They have the reputation of a professional sound effects library, but at a more affordable range of prices. Before we continue, don't forget to click the like button, it really helps us grow. The next type of library is subscription-based, and the price usually ranges from $150 to $200 for yearly subscription. A subscription-based model means that you pay a monthly or annual fee and can download as many sounds as you like. Here are some of the services we at Bavegang Sound Design personally use. SoundSnap, which is a very known website with high-quality sounds across a wide variety of categories. Artlist, a reasonably new sound effects and royalty-free music library with high-quality content and very competitive prices. And finally, Soundly, which is first of all an audiophile searching platform, which makes our lives so much easier as sound designers. You also get a ton of high-quality sound effects, which are stored on their servers and can be previewed on the platform. Once you find a sound you like, you drag it from the platform to your editing software. Once you purchase the subscription, the sounds are free to use. The last and best thing we'll talk about is specialty libraries. Suppose you're working on a project with a specific subject, for example a motorbike race. To craft your soundtrack, you'll need lots of motorbikes, engine sounds, motorbike drifting, falling, crashing, and so on. It might be best to consider buying a sound pack with all these sounds bundled together. Companies like A Sound Effects and Boom Library are specialized in doing just that. A Sound Effect provides value for money sound packs, so you can find some really good libraries for $50 to $100, while Boom Library is one of the top high-quality sound libraries that money can buy, but the prices are a bit higher. Having said that, you can always try to record your own sound effects. It's a fun, creative process that will teach you a lot about sound. check out our last video on how to record sound effects on a budget. So that's it for today. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.